park twice to do this video. And they say third time's charm. Good morning. Today I'm going to test out, I have told you about them, but I'm going to test out a Mountain House freeze-dried scrambled eggs with bacon. Okay? And I'm going to test it out today, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it, if I think it tastes good, or what I think, you know, as far as is it too salty or whatever. Anyway, I'm going to open this up. At least I think I am. I have been down to the park twice to do this video, and the first time I couldn't get the stove I took, I couldn't get it to light. So then, this morning I went down to do it, and I didn't take anything to light this with. So I said, okay, I'm going back to the house. I'm not going to keep going back and forth. So I'm doing it here in the backyard. I apologize, but anyway. But anyway, we're going to put this in there, and we're going to see what it tastes like. It says if you don't forget to remove the oxygen absorber before adding water, don't worry, your food is still safe to eat. So I guess that thing is okay, but anyway, I wouldn't want to eat it myself. You know, that's just me. I wouldn't, you know, not want to do that. Anyway, so I'm going to have a little bit of coffee while I wait for my breakfast to get ready. Even though I'm here at the house in the backyard, but I wanted to do this outside and not, you know, inside. We'll wait on this and let it set. I don't know how it is yet. I have had some of these before, and they were pretty good, but not this particular one. This is scrambled eggs with bacon, it says. I have some others that I'd like to try out as well. And they're handy for taking on, you know, like trike packing, bike packing, camping, where you don't have, you know, where you may or may not be able to carry a lot of food or whatever. There, that helps. That isn't bad, actually. I don't know. It says it is whole eggs and has non-fat dry milk, corn oil, salt, yeast extract, you know. And then the bacon is just regular, it says it's bacon. And this has only got 8 grams of carbohydrates in it. It does have 240 calories. I don't know how well you can see that. Hopefully you can. There, I got it back away from the camera. And that's what it looks like. And it's pretty good. Okay, this of course is later. I did a video on a Mountain House scrambled eggs and bacon breakfast, dehydrated, well, freeze-dried meal. And I said I liked it, but there were some things I don't believe I said in the video that I wanted to say. First of all, it was good. Second of all, it wasn't too salty. Third, it did taste really good. It tasted like real eggs and real bacon. And, you know, like I said, I did like it. It wasn't something that I ate and I thought, man, I'm going to have to force myself to eat this. It was one of those things that was really good. It would be good with a tortilla. It would be good with some toast. It could be even good as a burrito. You would want to, first of all, make sure you drain the extra, if there's any extra water in there. There was a little extra water, I had to drain it out. and drain it out, and make sure that that's drained out. Otherwise, your burrito would be, of course, soggy. And you can, if you don't prefer or can't have a regular tortilla, you can eat. You can get some keto tortillas, that have fewer carbs and that sort of thing in them. But anyway, it would be good that way. Like I said, it does have bacon in it. It would be good with, put some cheese on it, make sausage and put it in with it as well. It would make a good all-around breakfast. There's 1.5 servings in it. It would be enough for myself and my husband to eat if we were out. Excuse me. If we were out camping. So I think it was a good meal. Now, some people are always concerned about salt content and things like that in a meal like that. But actually, like I said, it was really, really good. I have had some dehydrated meals. They weren't the Mountain House brand. They were another brand, and they tasted awful. They just tasted like cardboard. But now this one was really good. This one in particular was good. I think that, everybody has different taste buds. Everybody will have a different opinion on it. If you want, if you're going out camping or you're going hiking or backpacking or something like that, it would be good, to take with you. It's lightweight, doesn't take a lot of room, and that sort of thing. So I think that it would be a good meal to take with you. Like I said, there's a lot of different things you could do with that. Excuse me, a long shelf life, has a very long shelf life. It's good till like 20, since it's dehydrated and has some sodium, it has sodium in it. I don't remember how much sodium, but it had some sodium in it, and you would probably like it too as well, because I was concerned when I initially decided to do this. I thought, man, I hope this doesn't have too much salt in it, because I decided to make that my breakfast that morning.